Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn 10 Korean words. So, without wasting any time, let's start. Here comes the first word and that is shadow. In Korean, it is called 그림자. 그림자. Okay, next comes the Korean word for coral and that is 산호. 산호. Now let's see how you are going to say submarine in Korean and that is 잠수함. 잠수함. Next comes the word for feather in Korean and feather is called 깃털. 깃털. Next, let's see the word for hometown in Korean and that is 고향. 고향. Now let's move ahead and see the Korean word for postcard and that is 엽서. 엽서. Here comes the next word and that is sculpture. So in Korean it is called 조각. 조각. Next comes the Korean word for pollution and that is 오염. 오염. Here comes the next word and that is exhibition and in Korean it is called 전시회. 전시회. And the last one is the Korean word for promise and that is 약속. 약속. Okay, so today we learned 10 Korean words. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.